if I have 20 yellow fidgets. Okay, so let's see. I already see some yellow things. So 1, 2, 3, 4, oops, 4, 5, this is putty, 5, okay, I think that's it for that, 5, 6, 7, oh boy, maybe not. Oops. 7, 8. Whoop. 9, 10. I'm getting a lot of good luck in here. 10. Oh boy. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay, so 10, 11, 12, and these are two different because this is different than that. It's slightly different. So 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And I have way more where that came from. So I have 20 yellow fidgets. And yes, I did dye my hair pink. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. See you guys next time. Peace out.